Question number 12, part C. What is that? ABCD is a parallelogram. So again, ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Right? And there is diagonal. This is the diagonal DP, and there is a side E. There is a point E. So CE is like this. This is CE, and CE is parallel to EF. EF is parallel to, this is parallel to AD, right? So EF, A, B, C, D is a parallelogram, and EF is parallel to AD. EF is parallel to AD, right? Okay. So what do you have to find? AE upon BE. AE ratio BE is equal to how much? 2:3. Is it? AE is equal to BE, 2:3. Huh? So this is 2:3. So these corresponding angles are equal, and this is common. So in triangle ADB and triangle EFB, angle A is equal to angle E, are corresponding angle, and angle B is equal to angle B common by A similarity triangle ADB is similar to triangle EFB, right? And when they are similar, then AB upon BE is equal to BD upon EF is equal to BD upon BD is equal to BF, and AD upon EF. AB is what? AE, here we have AB is equal to AE plus BE. So it becomes 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So AB ratio BE is equal to 5:3, right? AB ratio BE is equal to 5:3. So if we take this, and what we have to find? Yeah, we have to find this. So how much you will get? AB is 5/3 is equal to AD upon EF, or we can write EF upon AD is equal to 3/5. You get the ratio EF. So you are going to get EF ratio ED is equal to 3:5. Right? What next you have? Area triangle BEF. Where is gone BEF? Area triangle BEF and area triangle ABD. Okay. So you studied already. Ratio of triangle ADB is similar to triangle EFB. So ratio of area of similar triangles ratio of area of similar triangles is equal to ratio of square of corresponding sides. So area triangle BEF upon area triangle ADB is equal to BE upon AB whole square. So how much it will be? BE is 3. So 3 square upon 5 square. So you are getting 9/25. What is your answer? 9/25. Right? Okay, what next you have? Area triangle ABD and area trapezium AEFD. Okay, so should I rub this? So what we have? Area trapezium trapezium AEFD is equal to area triangle ABD minus area triangle BEF. BEF. So area triangle ABD is 25 minus 9 is equal to 16 centimeter square. Area trapezium is 16 centimeter square. Right? This. So now we have to find the ratio of what? What is H? So area triangle ABD upon area trapezium AEFD. AEFD is equal to area triangle ABD is 25 upon 16. Is it? What is your answer? Hmm?
25 ratios.
So this is third part. Now we have next question. What is that? No, in same part, same we have another section. This I should rub. Is not required. They are asking for area triangle FEO and OBC. Okay. Get it. Right. So now we have to go through with this. This is O. This is point of intersection is O. Right? They are parallel. EF is parallel to BC. Right? As AB is parallel to BC, property of parallelogram. Property of parallelogram. And EF is parallel to AB given. So this angle and this angle they are parallel. Yeah, this angle. Alternate interior angles. And this angle is vertically opposite. So in triangle, first which triangle is written there? FEO and triangle OBC. So angle FEO is equal to angle BCO. They are alternate interior angles, right? And this is angle EOF is equal to angle BOC. They are vertically opposite. Vertically opposite. Right? Vertically opposite. So by AA similarity, triangle FEO, triangle OBC. Right? What it is asking for?
Area.
This is triangle OBC we have. So how we can do this? Okay. What was the ratio between AD?
AB and EF is 3:5.
AD upon EF is equal to BC upon EF, and BC it is 5:3, right? So this is 5:3. What is your answer, by the way?
9:25.
Hmm?
9:25.
You get this? BC upon EF. Now, area triangle. So we have to go invert of this. So area triangle FEO upon area triangle OBC is equal to EF upon BC whole square. So it becomes 3/5 whole square. So it is 9/25. You get this? So area triangle FEO upon area triangle OBC is equal to 9/25. What is your answer? Same? Okay. You done this?